In today's video, I am going to teach you how to solve missing text style libraries in Figma. If you've opened a design and noticed that some text doesn't look right, you may be dealing with missing text styles. Figma flags this with a small red question mark or a missing font icon, either in the top right corner or in the left sidebar. That's your cue that something in your library connection isn't lining up with what the file expects. Start by checking your libraries. In the left sidebar, open the Assets tab, then click the library icon that looks like a little book. Here you'll see all libraries connected to the file. Look for anything with a warning sign. This indicates a disconnected or missing source. If the original library file was moved or renamed, the link can break. So remove that library from the list and re-add the correct one. Also look for any prompts to update if the library has changes waiting. Click Publish or Update as appropriate, so your file can pull the latest text styles. This often resolves the issue immediately, especially when the style names still match. If some styles still appear missing, use a plugin to pinpoint exactly where they're used. Press Ctrl+/ to open the Quick Actions menu. Then search for Style Finder or Missing Library Usage Finder under the Plugins tab and click Run. The plugin will give you options to scan for styles, usually grouped by type. Choose text so you are focusing on text styles. Depending on the plugin, it will scan the current page or the entire document and return a list of all styles in use, clearly labeling anything missing or hidden. From the results, click a missing style. The plugin will jump you right to the affected text layer on the canvas. This makes it much faster than hunting through frames manually. With that layer selected, look over to the right-hand design panel. Here is where you resolve the mismatch. If you have a correct replacement available in your local or linked libraries, apply that existing text style so the layer is back on a standardized setup. If there isn't a suitable match, detach the style to remove the broken link and manage the font, size, line height, and other properties manually. Keep consistency in mind as you do this, so your typography remains uniform across the file. Work through the list until there are no missing entries left. Your document should now be clean, connected, and ready to share. Thanks for watching.